Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Coco. Welcome back. Today I'll be showing you 4 DIY skincare recipes you can do right at home. Keep watching. So for this first one, we're gonna need cotton rounds, aloe vera, and a bowl. Next, we're gonna peel our aloe. Make sure you leave one side unpeeled so it's easier to scoop. Now you're just going to take a spoon and scoop out all of the aloe vera gel into your bowl. So now I'm throwing this aloe into the blender just to get all the chunks out. Now once you have a smooth mixture, you want to put that back into your bowl. Now we'll be taking the cotton pads and cutting those in half. So once your cotton pads are cut in half, you'll want to separate them individually and put them into your aloe. You want to do this individually because if you do it all at once, they'll just stick together. Now what I'm doing is I'm putting them flat onto my cutting board. That way I can get any excess aloe and flatten them really well for when we have to get them ready for the freezer. Now I'm taking a gallon-sized Ziploc bag and laying the eye pads flat on the bottom of the bag. Now, once you've laid them down, you want to take out all of the air in the bag and then separate them with your fingers so they don't stick together when they are freezing. And these will go in the freezer for at least 30 minutes. Now you're going to take your iPads out of the freezer, and I'm just putting it between my hands to kind of soften them. But now you have iPads that barely cost you anything. Alright, next recipe. You'll need some sugar, some olive oil, and a bowl. So you're going to put your olive oil and your sugar together. And you want to have more sugar than olive oil. And you're going to mix it up, and you want kind of this chunky consistency where it kind of balls up together. This is super easy body scrub, lip scrub. Don't use it on your face, it's too harsh, but yeah. Okay, so for this next one, I'm taking some scrap fabric that I took from some leggings that I made into shorts, and I'm just opening that up, and I'm gonna go ahead and kind of like measure out where my eyes would be, and folding it, I'm going to cut out the area where my eyes would go for the sheet mask. Now I'm just measuring out the part where my nose would be and just cutting a little slit. Then I'll measure where my mouth should be and cutting another slit. And then I'm going to go ahead and cut it where my chin ends and kind of fix any weird parts, trim any extra fabric. Now I'm going to create some straps for my ears. And at this point, I'm just making some minor adjustments, but it's pretty much it. So you want to wash this first. And I'm going to make a mixture for clarifying, smoothing, brightening, all that jazz. And you're going to want to use the aloe, an egg, and half a lemon. This will help tighten pores, lighten the appearance of scars and marks, and also soothe any redness and irritation. Now we're gonna try on our sheet mask. So since we're trapped at home and we can't really buy things all the time, this is a good way to, you know, still pamper yourself and take care of your skin. So, you know, I hope this helps. And on to our final recipe. We're gonna take some oatmeal. I took half a cup at first, but you're gonna end up needing 3/4 of a cup. And I took a cup of water. That amount stays the same, but you're gonna blend it in your blender. It's only 2 ingredients, super easy. And you kind of want a chunky consistency, so that's why I changed it to 3/4, because it wasn't quite chunky enough, but it should look like this. And you're gonna put it into your bowl, and when I apply this with a brush just to keep it less messy. But this is amazing if you have redness, irritation. It's also very moisturizing, so I love it because I have dry skin and it feels so great. And it also helps with acne. It's a great way to get rid of acne. That is my video, girl. I cannot wait for you guys to try these. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.